Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add plugin to WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to unmute it. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then hover over on plugins and then click on add new. So after that, here you will find many plugins, or if you want to search a particular plugin, then here you have to give the plugin name here. Suppose I want to install a image gallery plugin, so I'm searching here image gallery. And after that, here we can see several plugins are showing up here. And suppose I want to install this plugin, so simply click on install now. And after installation, you have to activate plugin, so click on activate. And then here is the installed and activated plugin list. As you can see, these are my plugins I installed and activated into my WordPress. And if you want to upload a particular plugin from your computer, then you have to click on add new and then click on upload plugin, choose file, and select the downloaded plugin and make sure it's compressed, it's in zip format. Then select the plugin zip file, then click on open, and after that click on install now. So the plugin has been successfully installed. Now we need to activate the plugin, so click on activate plugin. And that's it, here's the plugin. So this is how we can add plugin on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, how to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.